In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Loom desktop app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. To start off, you'll need to open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, but feel free to use whatever browser you're most comfortable with, whether it's Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once you're in your browser, head on over to the official Loom website. It's important to make sure that you're on the official page, so just look up Loom in your search bar and you should see their website pop up right at the top. Once you've accessed the site, go ahead and sign into your Loom account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Just follow the prompts for registration, which usually involves providing some basic information, like your email and password. After you've signed in, you should arrive at the main dashboard for your account. Now, while you're on the Loom website, take a look around for the option that says Download or Get Loom for Free. This is typically located on the home page, but it can also sometimes be found in the menu or footer of the website. Click on that option to proceed. Since most of you watching will likely be using a Windows laptop, let's focus on that for now. Make sure to choose the Windows option when prompted. The installer for Loom will begin downloading automatically. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, this might take just a few moments. Once the Loom installer file has been downloaded, navigate to your browser's download section, or simply check the bottom of your browser window. Click on the downloaded installer to open it. If you're using Windows, you might see a pop-up that asks if you really want to run the file. Go ahead and confirm that you do. After you launch the installer, a series of on-screen instructions will guide you through the installation process. Just follow along with those prompts. This typically involves agreeing to certain terms and conditions and selecting a destination folder for the installation, but the defaults should work just fine for most users. Once you've gone through all of the installation steps, you're almost there. After the installer finishes, you'll see the Loom desktop app icon, either on your desktop or in your application folder. Go ahead and click to open the Loom desktop app. Now, when you first open the app, you'll be asked to log in again. Simply enter the same credentials you used for your Loom account on the website. Remember, it's important to use the same account details here so that all your videos and settings sync up perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Loom desktop app. You can now start recording high-quality videos, share your screen, and create amazing content for your audience or team. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. This way, you won't miss any of our other useful tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Loom to showcase your ideas. Happy recording!